A square loop of side 20 centimeter carrying current 1 ampere is kept near infinite long straight wire carrying current 2 ampere. Calculate magnitude and direction of net force exerted on the loop due to this conductor. Let us name the loop first, A, B, C, D. Force on AB, mu naught upon 4 pi 2 I1 I2 by R. This is the formula for force per unit length. तो आप इसको लेंथ से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, लेंथ ऑफ AB 10⁻⁷ 2 I1 1 ampere and I2 is 2 ampere. Distance between the two wires is 10 centimeter. You have to convert it into meter of course, and length of AB is 20 centimeter. But यहाँ सेंटीमीटर आप कट कर सकते हो, so there is no need to convert, and this will be 8 into 10⁻⁷ Newton. Now what is the direction? It is attractive. When two wires carry same current are kept close to each other, the force is attractive force. So this is attractive in nature. Now force on CD part will be mu naught upon 4 pi 2 I1 I2 upon R into length of CD. 10⁻⁷ 2 into 1 into 2 upon the distance between this wire and CD part will be 20 plus 10 30. ये part 10 हो गया, this is 20. So 30 centimeter. Length of CD is 20 centimeter. This is 8 by 3 10⁻⁷ Newton, and the force will be repulsive force क्योंकि opposite direction है. Repulsive force. Okay, now what about force on AD part and BC part? See, the magnitude will be same, but directions दोनों का opposite होगा. The force is equal and direction opposite. तो दोनों forces nullify कर देंगे. No contribution from AD and BC part. एक बार देख लेते हैं कैसे. Suppose this is the wire carrying current 2 ampere और ये हमारा loop है. तो आप hold this in your right hand. The direction of fingers give you direction of magnetic field. So magnetic field into the plane of loop है. ये loop था. Magnetic field is into the plane of loop. ये हमारे लिए clear है. Now let us see the direction of force. The magnetic field is given by first finger. It is into the plane of the loop. The second finger gives current, which is towards us, or we can say from B to C. The thumb gives direction of force, which is towards right side. And similarly, we can find the direction on AD, it will be towards left. So force on AD and BC equal and opposite. Therefore, net force is 0 because of these two arms. So आपका total force, net force will be because of CD part and AB part only, which will be 8 into 10⁻⁷ minus 8 by 3 into 10⁻⁷. This will be 24 minus 8, 16 by 3 Newton. And what is it? This is 5.33. And what is the direction? Which force is greater? You can see that everything is same. I1, I2 दोनों same है. Only R is different. And force is inversely proportional to R. जिसका distance less है, उसका force greater. That means FAB is greater. तो इसका direction होगा, which is attractive. 5.33 5.33 into 10⁻⁷ attractive force. This is the answer.